Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello my dear students. In this video we discuss question number 3, part first, exercise 6.10. Okay. In that 5 harmonic means between minus 2 by 5 and 2 by 13. Just same as in that 5 arithmetic means. Its solution is equivalent to find 5 arithmetic means between the reciprocal of these terms. 6.3 exercise. Find A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5 5 arithmetic means between minus 5 by 2 and its reciprocal is 13 by 2. Okay? Understand? Now we see here when we replace minus 5 by 2 at the first stage, next we write here A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. Next value is 13 by 2. These terms are in AP mean arithmetic progression. These values are in arithmetic progression. Okay? Here we see first term A1 is equal to minus 5 by 2. Okay? And 13 by 2 is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh term of AP. A7 is equal to 13 by 2. Understand?
Yes.
When A7 is equal to 13 by 2, we find the value of B by using A7. The formula of A7 is A1 plus 6D in the form of arithmetic progression. A7 is equal to A1 plus 6D and we write here 13 by 2. Okay? When we replace the value of A1 is minus 5 by 2. Replace here and we can get minus 5 by 2 plus 6D is equal to 13 by 2 and we get 6D is equal to 13 by 2 and plus 5 by 2. Understand? Are you have any difficulty? No? After the addition, denominator same, we write here 2, 13 plus 5, 18 by 2 and D is equal to 18 by 2 multiplied by 6. 2 9 by 18 and D can be written as 3 by 2. D is equal to 3 by 2. Now we find by using the formula of arithmetic means. Nth arithmetic mean. Main formula is this. An is equal to A1 plus ND. This is the main formula for the nth arithmetic mean between two terms. An is equal to, okay? An is equal to A1 plus ND. Now we write here A1, capital A1. A1 is equal to small a1 plus D. And we, after the replacement of values, we get A1, small a1 is equal to minus 5 by 2 and plus D. D is 3 by 2. Okay? After the simplification, our answer is minus 2 by 2 and is equal to minus 1. Minus 2 by 2 is equal to minus 1. Next value, next formula, A2 is equal to A1 plus 2D is equal to minus 5 by 2 plus 2 into D. D is 3 by 2. After simplification, we can write here minus 5 plus 6 and our result is 1 by 2. And A3 is equal to a1 plus 3d। अगर आपको क्वेश्चन समझ आ रहा हो तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और आने वाली हर वीडियो को लाइक भी करें और अपने साथी स्टूडेंट्स को बताएं। a1 plus 3d, a1 is minus 5 by 2, minus 5 by 2 plus 3 into d, d is again 3 by 2 and its LCM is again 2, minus 5 plus 9, answer is 4 by 2 or only 2. Next term a4 is equal to a1 plus 4d. Next we replace here a1 is equal to minus 5 by 2 plus 4 into 3 by 2. Similarly our LCM is 2 and our value is minus 5 plus 12. Answer is 7 by 2. And last term a5 is equal to a1 plus 5d. a1 is minus 5 by 2 plus 5 into 3 by 2. After taking the LCM we get minus 5 plus 15 and is equal to 10 by 2 is equal to 5 और 10 by 2 भी लिख सकते हैं, 5 भी लिख सकते हैं। अब देखें आंसर लिखने के लिए हमारे पास AP में क्या टर्म्स हैं, इन AP हमारे पास 5 रकमें बन गई हैं। a1 की वैल्यू है -1, नेक्स्ट वैल्यू 1 by 2, थर्ड वैल्यू 2, fourth value is 7 by 2 and fifth value is 5. These 5 values are called 5 arithmetic means between minus 5 by 2 and 13 by 2. These are arithmetic means. These are arithmetic means. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. 5 arithmetic means. Now harmonic means our harmonic means क्या होंगे इनके रेसिप्रोकल। we write here रेसिप्रोकल, उसको हम h1 h2 h3 h4 के नाम से भी लिख सकते हैं। अब इसका -1 का रेसिप्रोकल -1, 1 by 2 रेसिप्रोकल 2, नेक्स्ट 2 रेसिप्रोकल 1 by 2, नेक्स्ट रेसिप्रोकल 2 by 7, 5 का रेसिप्रोकल 1 by 5. These are 5 harmonic means between given two numbers -2 by 5 and 2 by 13. It's okay.